Hello my dear 6th class students. Today we are going to start 15th chapter, diversity in our society. Diversity, what do you mean by diversity? Diversity means nothing but living all together without keeping any discrimination, without keeping any partiality, without keeping any inadequate activities, without involving or separating one thing and the not, which means not allowing in one's prior to others, like under the religious manners. So that's the meaning of here diversity in our society. So let us we see in the earlier chapters we saw how the land on which we live is so varied and that the life of people is so diverse. Diversity is present not only between the different places but within your classroom and your own within your own classroom and locality. Diversity in our neighborhood. Look around yourself in the classroom. Do you see anyone who looks exactly like you? In this chapter you will learn that people are different from each other in many ways. Not only do they look different, but they might also belong to different and religion, culture or religious background. These differences enrich our lives in many ways and also make them more fun. All these people with the different backgrounds, religions and cultures help to make India so interesting and so diverse. What does diversity add to our lives? How did India become so diverse? Are all kinds of the differences a part of diversity? Yes, all these kinds of the variations which we read just now, these all things are part of diverse. Read this chapter to find answer to some of these questions. Look at these pictures. 3 children of your age have drawn these figures. Use the empty space to draw a human figure. So what figures were drawn by your aged children? Are that seeming similar? No, are different. One each other is different than others. So that we can see here the religions, the people where one cannot compare it with the other. So one is in classmate, one is first ranker, another is last ranker, so one is average studier. So like that variations we can find. So all are not here different, all they are different, but there was a competition among the children that we can find. So here examples what was given based on that. So let us we see, is your drawing similar to any of the others? The chances are that your drawing is quite different from the other 3, and this is because each of us is unique and also has one's own drawing style. See, each of us is unique and also has one's own drawing style. So here some of the fill in the blanks are given. When I go out, I like eating. When I go out, I like eating banana. And others will write mango. And some others will write apple. And some others will write anything else. So that was the variation. So all people's likes and dislikes are not same. At home, I speak in dash language. So some people will speak English, some people will speak Marathi, some people will speak Telugu, some people will speak Urdu. So their mother tongues they will speak. So it is also different. My favorite sport is cricket. My favorite sport is cricket. Your favorite sport is skiting. Your favorite sport is run, say like volleyball, basketball, anything else. So that was the unique. I like reading dash books. I like reading dash books. I like reading history books. So you like reading science book. So others may like reading mathematical practice books. So these all the things will be unique each other. Now with the help of your teacher, find out how many of you have the similar answers. Is there anyone whose listed matches you are exactly probably not, but many of you may have similar and answers. Discuss them. For example, how many like reading the same kind of books, how many languages are spoken in your neighborhood, and through this exercise you might have recognized the many ways in which you are quite like some of your classmates, and the other ways in which you are different from them. Making friends, so making, in what is the variation in making friends? Do you think it would be easy for you to make friends with someone who is very different from you? Read the following story. One of the story is given. Let us see that story. Suman's mother runs a vegetable shop on the busy crossing in the Vikarabad. Suman assists his mother in the shop and is called Vegetable Suman. The Suman's mother runs a vegetable shop here, and Suman assists, which means Suman also helps to his mother in the selling of vegetables. So Suman is called Vegetable Suman by everyone. So everyone calls to Suman Vegetable Suman, Vegetable Suman. One day a boy of his age came riding a cycle and stopped at the shop. Vegetable Suman asked, "Kya chahiye?" What does the Vegetable Suman asked? "Kya chahiye?" What do you want? Here Hindi word is given, "Kya chahiye?" which means what do you want? The boy who was in school uniform said, "Ladies fingers half kg." बोले तो भेंडी, which means in Hindi भेंडी आधा किलो. Vegetable Suman said. The boy nodded. He took the vegetables, paid money, and went away on his cycle. And the next day the schoolboy came to the vegetable shop again, and Vegetable Suman smiled at him and said, "Bhaiya kya chahiye?" Brother, what do you want? The schoolboy smiled in reply and asked, "What vegetables do you have?" Kaddu, turai, bhendi, tomato, aloo, pyaz, said Vegetable Suman. The schoolboy asked him, "Don't you know Telugu? Where are you from?" हम बिहार के हैं. We are from Bihar. Vegetable Suman replied here, "Where are you from?" means हम बिहार के हैं. We are from Bihar. मेरे घर में हिंदी बोलते हैं. I know Telugu थोड़ा थोड़ा. He said, "I know Telugu little bit." Replied the boy. The schoolboy asked him, "What is your name?" The Vegetable Suman said, "My name is Suman. They call me Vegetable Suman." Oh, my name is also Suman," said the schoolboy, and shook Suman's hand, and both of them became the friends after this. After that conversation, both of them became friends. On Sundays, when the boy would play cricket, student Suman would invite Vegetable Suman to play with them. Vegetable Suman was a very good fielder. He would joke that he practiced by not letting the vegetables fall or roll on the ground. Some weeks later, when student Suman met vegetable Suman, he found the shopkeeper very upset. What happened? He asked to vegetable Suman. The municipality people are asking us to vacate this place, saying that this is an encroachment. They are asking us to go to the big market. We are too poor to pay the high rent there. I don't know where we will go now, said the vegetable Suman. Student Suman went back home and worried. He wondered how he could help his friend. 2 days later, when he went to the same place to buy vegetables, he could not find the shop there. He was told that the municipality had cleared the place of all the encroachment. Students Suman felt very sad. Both Suman have many differences between them in terms of their mother tongue, the states they come from, the work they do, and the opportunities they have. Yet they could become friends, but they become friends. So this was the situation where the diversity, which means we can find out the variations one each other is unique and different here. That was the concept of up to here we were studied. So diversity in India we will continue in the next session of the online class. Up to this title you have to prepare some 1 mark questions and write down in your fair notes. Thank you.